What's going on, everybody? So I just got some new tires on the truck a few weeks ago, so I thought I'd kind of show you them and tell you how they are so far. So in my previous videos on my channel, you know that I was running Goodyear Wrangler UltraTerrain ATs on my old truck. I'm doing the same here. This size is a 275/70/18. I think they look pretty good, especially on those wheels. So just gonna be a quick little update. I mean, so far I like them just as much as the other ones, or you know, the UltraTerrains on my other truck. Same deal with these. Not too bad of road noise. They are a little loud, but you can't really hear it in the cab. Pretty nice aggressive tread. So yeah, as I said, I got these about 3 weeks ago, and yeah, so far I like them. I'll keep everybody posted about how these go. I'm planning on keeping this truck for a minute, so we'll be able to kind of see how these work. I had to replace the other ones. I had a BFG KO2s that came with the truck on here before, and they were cupped pretty bad, and like one of them was bald, so I just got new ones just for peace of mind. I'm planning on driving back to Texas from Alabama here a couple times in the next few months, so I wanted something that you know, I knew was good and was reliable, and you know, I trusted them. So anyway, well, that's that. Not too much else has changed on the truck. Planning on, I sold the leveling kit that I had bought previously, but I still want to put one on there. I think I'm just going to go through 4-wheel parts and have them install it and everything, because out the door it was the same price. Like, I would have spent more money you know, buying the leveling kit separately and taking it to someone else than just to do the whole thing in one shot. And I also want to put a new exhaust, not a new exhaust, but a different muffler. And I want to do probably like a Flowmaster 40, and then have it come out into 2 ends going at like a 45 on each side with like a 5-inch tip. I think that looks pretty good. And I want this thing to be a little bit louder. So I've never had a V8 truck, so I've never really done anything exhaust wise with the 2 trucks I've had before, because they would just sound like crap. But I like the way that this engine sounds with a little bit louder exhaust on it. So anyway, I'll catch y'all later. Please like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks, and gig 'em.